Now let us discuss about BCD code. BCD stands for binary coded decimal, as well as we are going to discuss about BCD addition operation. In the next video, we will discuss about BCD subtraction operation. Okay. So BCD stands for binary coded decimal. The name itself specifies the meaning. Decimal number is coded in binary form. So in BCD notation, a decimal number is represented in binary form by using with 4 bits. So we can represent a decimal number in binary form by using with 4 bits. Okay. We know about here BCD notation can also be called as 8421 notation. So what is the other name for BCD code? 8421 code. We know about the binary notation. So binary notation means if we have 4 bits, then 8421 notation only. So if we have 4 bits, then how many numbers we can represent? We can represent numbers from 0 to what is the maximum number? Totally we can represent 4 bits. So 4 bits means totally we can represent 2 power 4 numbers, 16 numbers. So that means we can represent numbers from 0 to 15. So we know about the binary notation. So 0 means all zeros. So 1 means 0001. So 2 means 0010. Whereas 15 means all ones. We can represent all the bits. Whereas coming to the BCD notation, we can represent decimal digit. We can represent decimal digit. So from 0 to 9, BCD notation is equivalent to binary notation. So 0 means all zeros. So 1 means 0001. 9 means 9 is a sum of 8 and 1. So 9 means 1001. But we can't represent numbers from 10 to 15. So how we can represent numbers from 10 to 15? If you take 10, so here 10 means, here this is a decimal number. So this decimal number contains 2 digits. So 1 is one decimal digit, 0 is another decimal digit. Each decimal digit is represented with the help of the 4 bits. So 1 means 0001. 0 means all zeros. Likewise, how we can represent 1? So 1 means it is a combination of 2 decimal digits, 1 and 1. So how to represent 1? 0001. How to represent this one? 0001. So likewise, if you take 15, so 15 is a combination of 2 decimal digits, 1 and 5. So 1 means 0001. So 5 means sum of 4 and 1. So 0101. So likewise, we can represent the numbers from 10 to 15. Okay. So this is about how we can use BCD notation. Now let us represent 2 or 3 numbers with the help of the BCD notation, BCD code. So let the number is 72. Let the number is 72. So BCD notation means we have to use 8421 code. So 72 is a combination of 2 digits such as 7 and 2. So how to represent 7? 7 means sum of 4 to 1. So 0111. Next, how to represent 2? 2 means we have to write 1 in 2 position. So 0010. Let us take one more number, 56.13. So let us represent this number in BCD notation. Okay. So 5. So 5 means sum of 4 and 1. So 0101. Next, 6 means sum of 4 and 2. So 0110. Dot. So 1 means we have to write 1 in 1 position. So 0001. Next, 3 means sum of 2 and 1. So 0011. So like this we can represent any decimal number in binary notation. So 72 decimal number is represented in binary notation like this. 56.13 is represented like this. So like this we can represent any number in decimal notation. So decimal number is a combination of decimal digits. So we have to represent each decimal digit with the help of 4 bits. So those 4 bits are nothing but 8421 notation. So what is the other name for BCD code? 8421 code. Okay. Now let us discuss about BCD addition operation. So by using BCD here, we can perform addition operation on 2 BCD numbers. Okay. we can perform addition operation on two BCD numbers. Let us see the first example. Example 1. Example 1, let the number is 7, let the number is 2. 7 plus 2, let the first number is 7, second number is 2. Okay. So how we can represent 7 in BCD notation? So 7 is sum of 8421 notation. 7 is sum of 421. So 0 triple 1. So 2 is sum of 2 means we have to write 1 in 2 position. So simply perform the addition. So 1 plus 1 means 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1 means 0 with a carry 1. 0 0 1 means 1001 means 9. So 9 is a valid BCD digit. 9 is a valid BCD digit. So there is no problem. Okay. So directly here, what is the sum here? 7 plus 2 means 9. So likewise we will get the result. Okay. Let us see one more example. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. So how to represent 7 in BCD notation? 0 triple 1. How to represent 5 in BCD notation? So 5 means sum of 4 and 1. So 0 1 0 1. So 1 plus 1 means 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1 means 0 with a carry 1. Triple 1 means triple 1. Sum of triple 1 is sum is 1 as well as carry 1. Sum is 1 as well as carry 1. 0 0 1. So 1 1 0 0. So 1 1 0 0 is not a valid BCD digit. Why? Because BCD notation means we can represent the decimal digits only from 0 to 9. So how to represent 12 in 1100 means what? 12. So how to represent 12 in BCD notation? So we have to represent 1 with the help of 0001 and represent 2 with the help of 0010. So we can say that 11000 is not a valid BCD digit. So now we have to make the correction. So what we have to do is, in order to get valid BCD digit, we have to add 6. Add 6 to the sum. Add 6 to the sum. So how we can represent 6 in binary notation? 0 1 1 0. 0 1 1 0. So here 12 is not a valid BCD number. In order to get valid BCD number, we need to add 6. So 0 plus 0 means 0. 0 plus 1 means 1. 1 plus 1 means 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1 means 0 with a carry 1. Okay. So what is 0 0 1 0? 2. Here we have 1. So before this 1, we can append 3 zeros. So if we append 3 zeros, then it will become 0001. 0001 in binary. 0001 means what? 1. So in here the decimal digit is 1. So 1, this is 1, this is 2. So what is the result of 7 plus 5? 12. So here the point is, if we didn't get a valid BCD digit. So here the first point is, if we get numbers from 10 to 15, then what we have to give? What we have to do? Then add 6 to sum. So if the sum is between 10 to 15, if the sum is between 10 to 15, why? Because here 8421 means maximum we will get 15. So if the sum is between 10 to 15, then in order to get the valid BCD number, we have to add 6 to the sum. Okay. So this is one scenario. Now let us see 2 more examples, 3 more examples. Example 3, 23 plus 46. Let us do addition on 23 plus 46. So how to represent 2? 2 means 0011. 3 means 2. 2 means 0010. 3 means 0011. Next, what is the second number? 4. 4 means 0100. 6 means 0110. So now let us do the addition from the least significant bit. 1. So 1 plus 1 means 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1 means 0 with a carry 1. So 100 means 1. 0 1 1 0. So 0110 is nothing but 2. This is nothing but 8421 notation. So 4 plus 2, 6. 1001 is nothing but 1001. So what is 1001? So 1001 is nothing but 9. 9. So 6 and 9. So valid BCD numbers. There is no problem. Okay. So what is the output result here? 9, 6. So here the point is, if the sum is less than or equal to 9. If sum is less than or equal to 9, then we should not perform anything. Directly we are getting the corresponding valid BC digits. So there is no problem. Whereas if the sum is in between 10 to 15, then we have to add 6 to the sum in order to get the valid BCD sum, valid BCD number. Let us see one more example. 23 plus 48. 23 plus 48. So how to represent 2? 0, 0, 1, 0. How to represent 3? 0, 0, 1, 0. Next, second number. 4 means 0, 1, 0, 0. 8 means 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. So 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So 1, 0. So let us see the problem. 2 means 0, 0, 1, 0. So 3 means 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So 4 means 0, 1, 0, 0. Next 8 means 1, 0, 0. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So 0, 1, 1, 0 means what? 6. It is a valid BC number only. But 1, 0, 1, 1 means 8 to 1. So it is 11. It is 11. Here the sum is between 10 to 15. So in order to get the valid BCD sum, what we have to do? We have to add 6. So to which nibble? Nibble means 4 bits. So nibble means 4 bits. So what is 1 byte? 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Whereas 1 nibble means 4 bits. Here this is not a valid nibble. So this is not a valid BCD digit. So for this nibble, we have to add 6. So you add 6. 0, 1, 1, 0. So 1 plus 0 means 1. 1 plus 1 means 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1 means 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1 means 0 with a carry 1. So 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. I'm sorry, here it is 0. So 0, 1, means 7. 0, 0, 0, 1 means 1. So what is the sum of 23 plus 48? So 8 plus 3, 11. So 2 plus 3 means 7. So already we have written that point. If the sum is in between 10 to 15, then what we have to do? We have to add 6. So only for this nibble. Why? Because this is the wrong nibble. This is not the valid BCD digit. Okay. Now let us see the last example so that we will get one more point if we solve this example. So 28 plus 39. So last example, 28 plus 39. So how to represent 2? 0, 0, 1, 0. How to represent 8? 1, 0, 0. Next, how to represent 3? 0, 0, 1, 1. Next, how to represent 9? So 9 means 1, 0, 0, 1. So 2, 8 means, 3, 9 means 0, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 0. 1 plus 1 means 0 with a carry 1. So the next point is, if we get a carry from previous nibble, if we get a carry from previous nibble and sum is less than or equal to 9, then you add 6. Then you add 6 to previous nibble. Okay. So 1 plus 1 means 0 with a carry 1. 1 means 1, 1. So 0, 0, 1 means 0. So let us see this rule. Here we got a carry. So why we got this carry? By adding these two nibbles. So the last rule is, if we get a carry by adding from the previous nibble. If we get a carry from the previous nibble. So here we got the carry from the previous nibble. And the sum is less than or equal to 9. Here what is the sum? 1. 1 is less than or equal to 9. Then we have to add 6 to the previous nibble. So you add 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. What is 0, 1, 1, 0? 0, 1, 1, 0 is nothing but 6. 0, 1, 1 is nothing but 7. So 9 plus 8 means 7. 2 plus 4 means 6. So 67 is the result. So here we have 3 rules. What is the first rule? If the sum is less than or equal to 9, then there is no problem. If the sum is less than or equal to 9, as well as carry is also 0. If the sum is less than or equal to 9, as well as the carry is 0, then there is no problem. That means we are getting the valid BCD digits. Whereas the second rule is, if we get a sum in between 10 to 15, if we get a sum in between 10 to 15, as well as carry is 0, then we can say that the 10 to 15 are not valid BC digits. So we have to add 6 in order to get valid BC digits. And the third rule is, if we get a carry from previous nibble, that means if C is 1 from the previous nibble, as well as sum is less than or equal to 9, then we have to add 6 to the previous nibble, 6 to the previous nibble in order to get the correct sum. So here what is the condition here? Here the condition is sum is greater than 9. If sum is greater than 9 as well as C is equal to 0, you add 6. Here the condition is sum is less than or equal to 9 as well as carry is equal to 1, then you add 6. If sum is less than or equal to 9 as well as carry is 0, then we should not perform anything. So this is about BCD notation as well as BCD addition. In the next video, we will see about BCD subtraction with the help of some examples.